This phone is also IP53 splash proof ready. It is very useful when you accidentally splash water on this phone. I love the way the Xiaomi packs the AMOLED display on this one. It gives me a good experience. Very rich in watching those movies on this phone. Especially watching my favorite TV series. It's really enjoyable. The sounds on the Redmi Note 10 is pretty rich, and it has a dual speaker inside this phone, giving me that experience while playing games. Speaking of games, I tried to play some of my favorite games on this phone, and it gave me a really nice experience. I can say that the frame rate is pretty irrelevant, and of course the experience is very rich. Since you have the dual speaker together with the AMOLED display, everything feels so premium on this phone. Did you know that this phone comes in 3 variants? It has the Onyx Gray, Glacier Blue, and of course the Gradient Bronze. Which one is your choice? And one of the reasons why I love this phone is because it comes with an Android 11 out of the box, and it also runs together with the MIUI 12. It gave me a rich experience using this phone. And MIUI 12.5 coming soon. And one of the most noticeable change on this phone is the arc side fingerprint scanner. It's one of my complaints during the Redmi Note 9 Pro series, which the fingerprint scanner is really flat. And I can feel it on my hands. It's really not comfortable using it because it has sharp edges. This time, it's round and a lot better. So how about let's focus ourselves on the main event of this phone, the 108 megapixel camera. It's really something, and it packs a lot of punch for this phone. And it also has 3 other cameras, the 8MP ultra wide sensor, the 5MP telemacro lens, and of course your 2MP depth sensor. So how about let's try to take a look at some of the shots that I've taken from this. Something at the rear together at something on the front, so my viewers can know what's happening back there and of course what's happening up front.